Hey, so we have a leaking oil pressure sensor here. The leak appeared to be coming from under the timing cover, but we determined it to be this sensor. So for openers, disconnect the battery, take off this belt guard, and just pry out a couple of panel fasteners. Yeah, I made a video a couple of years ago of this circ belt removal and replacement, and it's really quite simple on this car. I'll put a link up to that video because there's a couple things in there that I did that might make it simpler, especially if you're doing this job yourself. And yeah, the alternator's in the way, so you need to unplug the control wiring and the B+. Yep, 12 millimeter.
Oh. Almost lost the lock washer.
Oh, that was close.
Okay.
It doesn't need to come all the way out. And 12 millimeter, and you don't have to undo it completely right now. We're just going to get that support rod out of there. Using a 12 millimeter wrench here. And this is the alternator long bolt. Just loosen it a couple of turns. It doesn't need to come out all the way. This one does. Yes. Now we can see that sending unit clearly. Leaky. This gauge. Just a clip. Wow, yeah. Now we're going to spend a little time cleaning up around the sensor. Here we again got a 24 millimeter deep well socket. Yeah, there's so much room in there you could probably get this out with a crescent wrench. Now it's in there pretty good. And we went with the Subaru part for this. You can see the crappy cruddy one on the left. And don't forget to put some thread sealant on here. This is a Permatex product, which he is rather generously applying.
Yeah, it's like $8, $6.
And carefully hand thread this at first, and then torque to 18.4. It's got to be one of the world's easiest alternators to change out.
There you go.
I think it's toward you. It might be in too far. There it goes. Don't turn that bolt in all the way just yet. Leave a little room for this bracket. this also is an 18.4. This 12 millimeter bolt would also be 18.4, but we're just going to do it with a wrench.
Let me just get you put it. There we go. 4.7 foot-pounds. Go ahead. Yeah.
Snug, but don't overdo it.
Okay, thread the belt on. Just kind of like that.
We have 2 people here, and this is what we need 2 for this job. Come all the way down.
I think that's on, right?
Nope, something's off.
Something flipped. And then release tension, and
We're off here.
oh,
Here, let me get back. Oh,
that's all right.
so install the belt guard, reconnect the battery, give it a little test run, and pat yourself on the back. Good job. And please subscribe.